Kimberly J is an American executive in Major League Baseball. She is currently the general manager of the Miami Marlins and the highest-ranking female baseball executive. She is also the first woman to serve as general manager of a team in the Big Four leagues in North America and the first person of Asian descent to serve as general manager of an MLB team. Eng was born in Indianapolis, Indiana, the first of 5 daughters to Jin Eng and Virginia Fong. Her father, an American of Cantonese descent, was a financial analyst, and her mother, Thailand-born of Chinese descent, was a banker. She attended elementary school in Fresh Meadows, Queens and junior high on Long Island, New York. Her interest in baseball started when she played stickball on the street in Queens, and her father taught her about sports. She played tennis and softball at Ridgewood High School in Ridgewood, New Jersey, and graduated in 1986. She graduated from the University of Chicago in 1990, where she played softball for 4 years and was named MVP infielder and earned a BA. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.